Hey guys, I'm already starting off wrong. Hey guys, what's up? I am attempting to do Vlogmas this year, and right now it's Friday, November 30th, and I'm getting ready to go to DR tomorrow, so I'm packing, and so I'm just gonna vlog a little bit so I have something for you tomorrow. I did record another video, so I might put that up first. Vlogmas already started with a fail because I went to Target today and I did not vlog at all. I totally forgot. I blanked. But I wanted to show you what I hauled, and these things that you see here had nothing to do with why I went there. When I tell you guys why, you're gonna like laugh. And if you have family in Latin America and you travel there often, you'll totally relate. But my parents, they're not gonna be home for the holidays, so I decided that I still wanted to do something a little bit festive even though they're not gonna be here. So I got this mini tree, which was $10, and then I got this mini topper, which is $4. Then I got these mini lights that cost $6, and those ornaments over there, they're little, they cost $3. So for 23 bucks, you know, I got a little bit of Christmas cheer in the apartment. I don't know if I'll have time to set it up today because it's already getting late. I have to make dinner and just make sure that I am fully packed. I already pretty much did it, but I always like remember something random at the end. But anyways, I also got this, which is so clutch. They had this hanging on the checkout line, and I had thought earlier that I needed hair elastics. It was like divine intervention that they were there waiting for me and they caught my eye. So good. I'm good for a year or 6 months, depending on how things go. I am gonna show you guys why I went to Target in the first place. Honestly, there's just so many things we can discuss about this situation, but I'll show you my suitcase. I'm traveling with this guy, and you know, I have some clothes. Some of them aren't mine because some people forgot to pack properly. And underneath, this is like padding, because if you see like what's sticking out, look at that. Yes, that is a freaking Christmas ornament. My mom asked me to bring her a Christmas wreath, and it like barely fit in the suitcase. I have like one of those hard-sided ones, and I had to use this one because the sides could stretch so that the wreath could fit in it. But you know, keep watching Vlogmas to see when they put it up. So yeah, I went to Target to buy this wreath, and then I was texting my sister, and then my sister said that my dad DIY'd a wreath today. And I was just like, so, you know, family drama, really not a big deal, but I was just like, are you for real right now? So yeah, I don't even know what else I'm bringing in there. I'm pretty sure she asked me for more stuff, and I'm just not, like, I just can't recall right now. So anyways, I'm going for a week. I'm sure I overpacked anyway for myself. I haven't packed my makeup yet, so maybe I'll show you guys. Definitely watch the video before this because I don't want to like reveal what the thing is before I put the video up. So I'll be editing tonight, and I have to clean. Oh, it's so much. Yeah, because I don't want to leave things looking dusty. And apparently I'm supposed to be, or we're supposed to be getting some repairs done while we're gone. So I really can't leave this thing looking a mess. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have to like tidy up, pack my makeup bag. I'll show you that. And then I'll probably see you guys tomorrow when I'm heading off to the airport and flying out there and all that. So let's do this. Let's check on dinner. Oh my god, you guys. One sheet pan, chicken fajitas. I'll leave a link to the recipe in the description box. It's so easy. Literally, the peppers, onions, chicken, olive oil, and taco seasoning, and then you just put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and then throw in your tortillas in the last 5, and you're ready to eat.
The next morning.
So tired. Isn't here yet, and the sun is crazy.
Much later.
This is how hungry I am, you guys. I'm about to feast on some salami. This is Don Pedro, the best salami in my opinion. This is not up for debate, so don't even come at me in the comments. If you come to DR, get it. It's the one in the gold wrapper, and listen, you will transcend. So anyways, yeah, dinner was a no-show tonight. I'm not even gonna get into it. So I'm gonna have the salami right now with some pan, aka bread. Also guys, look at what we have to do to keep the ants away from pastries. This is literally, that's just like what do you call it? A scar. I don't even know what to call it. I can't think. I'm so hungry. But yeah, you have to create a tower with water so that the ants can't get to it.
What is this?
A center for ants?
A portion of my bread fell off, so this is now a semi-open face sandwich. But listen, I don't even care what it looks like. Save the salami. So good. You can just eat it like this and it's amazing. I wish they sold this Don Pedro in New York. I'm from Brooklyn, so maybe if you guys live uptown or in the Bronx, you've seen it. If you have, tell me. I will literally go there. I will go on a pilgrimage just to get the salami in New York. Okay guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I am working on uploading a video right now, and then I'm gonna get into this cave My sister's in there, but she's hiding. This is how hardcore I was about not getting any mosquito bites on this trip. I ordered this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the bio if you guys want to get it. It was really easy to install because you just needed to put that hook in the ceiling. Wait a minute. Is that a shoelace?
Yes.
Why is there a shoelace? So this is the, what is it? The bug spray that I got this time. And it doesn't smell too bad. No games. I'll see you guys tomorrow.